Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Marie. Thank you so much for stopping by. But before everything else, I just wanted to wish everyone safety. Hopefully this will all be over soon, and I hope we're all doing our share in the community by staying home. So again, here I am, and I wanted to share some stuff that I found at the Coach outlet. And again, hopefully this is not an insensitivity to anyone out there, but it's just a form of entertainment, so come along with me. So here we go. I got two things from Coach outlet, but I got this like 3 months ago, and I wanted to share with you guys. These are two JES crossbody bag. Surprisingly, I got two things on the same style but different colors. I guess that's just how really I am. Ta-da! I have the JES crossbody bag in black. I really like the black one. The thing that attracted me the most about this is because of the strap. I love this kind of strap. Look at this. You can see that one. Okay. Let me open it for you. Oh, hold on. Wait, I'm gonna show you the other color first. So this is the black one that I got, and I got it in this color too. I don't know. It's like, it's not green. It's like blue green. I'm not sure. But I also love the strap. I love the strap so much. I love the color. Look at that. I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside, and this is actually how it looks like when I'm wearing it. So anyway, this is the inside. So let me open it for you. Take it off. Okay. The thing I like about this one is it's a little bigger than a camera bag, but you can actually put a lot of stuff in here. You think like it's kind of small, but you can put a lot of other stuff. Here you go. Look at the inside. That's the first pocket, and this is the second one, and it does have two other pockets in there it has this pocket in here. And the thing I like about this bag is it also has this back pocket that we can actually put a lot of other stuff, like the strap. It's actually pretty good. Right this way, you can see this actually just sits right below my waist, which is actually the right amount of length for me. But I didn't notice. I just noticed right now that you can actually adjust it on this side here. It looks like I can just take this off. I think there's 3 holes in here that you can actually adjust it with. So if you want it longer, you just have to pull it a little down and put it like that, but not for me. I think the last hole is good for me. That size is better for me. So hope you guys can see that. There you go. I love it. This one is actually one of my favorite bags. I love the color, and I know it's not luxury, but I love it anyway. So here's a closer look for both bags, and I wanted to give you some details on it and show you what fits inside. First of all, I like the texture of the leather, and it doesn't easily scratch, and the fact that it can hold, pretty much not a lot of stuff, but more than what a regular camera bag can hold. As you can see, there's the little pocket inside, and it's double pocket here where you can put more stuff, and then there's the back pocket for your cell phone, so you can easily reach it. And here I'm showing you with a closer look for the strap adjustment that you can do. So here's the black color. It's pretty much the same obviously for everything, but I just wanted to show you how it looks like inside and with a closer look. Here you go, all the same. It's pretty roomy in there, and here is the strap so you can see it too. So as you can see, I already put my wristlet in there and some other stuff, which is my sanitizer, Tums, and a little petroleum jelly. Let me try to rearrange it. Put it right here in front. Sanitizer, the most important thing right now. So here I have room to put my wipes in there. I usually carry wipes, especially with when I'm with my little boy, but this one pretty much fits it, which is actually a good thing. That's why I like it. Can put more stuff in here, I guess. There you go. There's my little son right there. And so you can just close it, see how it goes. So it's a little bulky, but still looks good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna transfer everything here just to let you see how it is. I mean, it's pretty much the same size, same style and all, but I just wanted to show you, so just so you see. Anyway, to tell you the truth, I like bags that are bigger than this. I usually carry totes kind of bag and just bigger ones where I can put a lot of stuff, but I love crossbody bag. So I can, you know, put a lot of things in there because I usually carry a lot of stuff, even stuff that I don't need, just in case. And so it goes. Here we go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope you can subscribe, and I'll see you again next time on my next video. Bye.